Hello Internet World, welcome to my review of the Vanguard VEO 3 Plus 263 CP. This is a carbon fibre tripod, a very good carbon fibre tripod sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer. Now, no money's exchanged hands, they haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm just going to share with you my opinion of this tripod so you can make an informed buying decision. So let's get on with the review. So as I mentioned earlier, this is the Vanguard VEO 3 Plus 263 CP. It's a carbon fibre tripod, goes up nice and high. It's also got the ability to angle this centre column crossways at 90 degrees, so you can get really good overhead shots as well. Now inside the box, apart from the tripod itself, you do get a nice carry bag. This is really nice to see. Full-size carry bag, Velcro handle, shoulder strap as well. I like the fact that Vanguard include really nice carry bags with their tripods. You also get a bag of accessories. This includes an instruction manual. We also get a quick release plate for your camera. You also get some spiked feet and everything you need for your tripod inside this little accessory bag. There are also two extra handles here used for rotating the three-way head. These come supplied unattached, so you have to attach these to the tripod. I'll give you a quick look at the box. This is what the box looks like, just lists off what's included, and it also, if I look around on, I think it's on this side, at the bottom of the box it gives the specifications about the tripod. So this tripod is 30 inches or 775 millimeters and it's closed format. It goes up to 68 inches or 1735 millimeters. It's got a capacity of 6 kilograms and it weighs 2.3 kilograms. Uses 26 millimeter sections and it's just it's a fantastic tripod. It's really great. Also inside the box, I should mention that you do get this additional piece. It's the VEO MA1 or the VEO Plus MA1. This is a plate that when you've got this in its horizontal format, you can slide this on and you can actually attach maybe an extra accessory like a light, for example. It's got this sort of release portion here and also a turning portion which rotates the thread on the top plate there. So nice that they include that. Now of course it's a fully adjustable tripod. We can adjust the legs out at different angles. So we've got this release portion here. So if I just do this and pop this in a little bit, push the button, and then I can bring the leg out at a different angle. I can do that again, like so. And then as you put it down, it locks back into place. So that's the angle adjustment on the legs. We've of course also got extra sections to the legs as well, so we can release these and extend each section out. And then of course we can lock this back into place at any length. These are the feet that come pre-attached, but you can replace those with the spiked feet. And this is just a really nice smooth mechanism. In that accessory pack you also get a hook which you can attach to the centre column here. That allows you to add an extra weight to the centre column if you so wish. Also worth noting is we've also got additional threaded mounts on the tripods. You can add accessories to the tripod as well. We've got various release parts on here. So we've got one, let's turn it around this way for you. We've got one here which we can turn to lock or unlock, and that will allow you to use the centre column. We've also got this portion here which unlocks the up and down on the centre column. We've also got, if I turn it around here, this unlock here which allows you to unlock the centre column completely and put it into that 90-degree rotation. So plenty of, it's got like a sliding safety catch on here as well, so plenty of manoeuvrability on this top section of the tripod. We've also of course got the ability to rotate in 360 degrees, and then we've got these two additional control handles, and these, if you push the button in, you can make them short or long. So that's in its short format or long. And this one here, if we turn it, it allows us to pivot the top head, or we can lock this down into position like so. And then this one here, again, we've got a little push button so we can extend it out, and this one allows us to adjust on this axis. So really manoeuvrable top section of the tripod. We've also got this little push button here which allows the top head to flip 90 degrees. So that's really nice. And then we've got the plate on the top. We've got a little bubble level, and then this makes this open or close so that we can put the quick release plate on the top. This is a really great tripod. It's a very heavy weight tripod as well. It's got plenty of capacity in it, and you can of course use it for photography as with any tripod, but really where this excels is in this really smooth three-way pan head at the top. If you're using this for video work, it means that you can pop your camera on top, and just with one finger you can get a really smooth panning shot. It's really adjustable. Love the fact that you can adjust all of the angles, of course. Really great construction on this. We've got a padded arm just here, which has got a nice grip to it. I think you can also unscrew this and use this leg as a monopod as well. So it's got that extra functionality as well. There's also another little bubble level just under here. Another little bubble level just in there. So it's just a great tripod, really robust, really well made, and essential if you're doing video work or photography to have a really stable base. And this creates a fantastic stable base for your video or photo work. A great tripod from Vanguard. This is the VEO 3 Plus 263 CP, and I can certainly highly recommend it. If you want to pick up one of these for yourself, then please do check out the links down in the video description area. I've left a link to where you can buy this tripod and also a link to the manufacturer's website. Thank you very much for watching. Hit like on the video if you enjoyed it, and please do subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos.